Today, we are going to demonstrate one of our breakthrough products, the Sleek Ridge Vent, for your homes and small workspace ventilation applications. As you can see, over the roof of the demonstration setup, we have placed the actual Sleek Ridge Vent product. This product has a very large ventilation area, and no one offers this much vent area in the domestic ridge roof ventilation market. Our all products come with a metallic outer body cover for robust construction and is completely covered with a mesh for protection. This Sleek Ridge Vent is available in various colors to match your roof, and you can install this device on any roof profile with various pitches. Our device is very sleek in design with a maximum thickness of 100 millimeters. Here, you can see the actual height of 100 millimeters, and it becomes completely invisible when installed over the roof ridge. However, due to this very small house setup, it is easily visible on the top. Let us move on to the working demonstration of the Sleek Ridge Vent. Initially, we create a non-ventilated home condition by covering the device with a cover, ensuring that it does not ventilate and there is no air movement through the ventilator. Inside this setup, we have provided a smoke generator that produces smoke. Now, let us allow the smoke inside. Now we can easily observe the movement of smoke, which represents the hot air inside the house. Here, we are using white smoke for clear visualization of air movement inside your buildings. When hot air is completely trapped inside, it tries to escape through small openings in windows. Just below this rooftop, we have provided a small opening, and the smoke is finally coming out through this opening. The trapped hot air inside your building creates an unbreathable and uncomfortable environment inside. Now I am removing the cover from the vent so that the smoke starts to come out through the vent. The vent does not restrict the free movement of the smoke. Just take a careful look at the vent and observe how much hot air is moving out. This demonstration represents a no-wind condition. However, in nature and our surroundings, there is always wind blowing, regardless of the wind speed. Sometimes we experience high wind speeds, and at other times, very low wind speeds. Our Sleek Ridge Vent is completely wind-driven and does not require electricity to operate. We can achieve better ventilation even at wind speeds as low as 0.5 meters per second. Now we will demonstrate this action by creating artificial wind using a wind generator. This is the wind generator setup, which generates variable wind speeds, and we can control the velocity as needed. Let us turn on the wind generator. Now, the wind generator has started to generate wind, and the wind is flowing over the rooftop as well as over the Sleek Ridge Vent. This flowing wind over the ventilator creates negative pressure throughout the vent area of this device. This action is called Bernoulli's effect. This negative pressure sucks the hot air from inside your building and vents it out to the outside. Before the wind acted on the ventilator, the trapped hot air tried to escape through this duct or any other openings like windows and soffits as shown earlier. When the wind starts driving the ventilator, the movement of hot air through the duct slows down and completely stops. This demonstrates how effectively our Sleek Ridge Vent ventilates your home and workspace. Let us reduce the wind speed as much as possible by controlling the wind generator speed. Now, the wind is blowing very slowly over the roof, and we can observe it using the movement of a piece of paper by placing it in the wind stream. You can easily notice the paper's movement. To show the actual wind speed, we are using an anemometer. This is the anemometer, and it measures the actual wind speed. Currently, it is showing 0 because we have not placed it in the wind stream yet. Now let me measure the actual wind speed by placing it over the roof. I am holding the reading to show the wind velocity. The anemometer is showing a reading of 0.6 meters per second, which represents very low wind conditions. Even with this gentle breeze, our sleek ridge vent is performing exceptionally well and providing a noticeable ventilation rate. This sleek ridge vent comes in two variants, opaque and translucent. The translucent variant provides natural lighting for your home and attic, helping to eliminate mold, mildew growth, and moisture formation on the roof and walls. As you can see here, light is passing through the vent, illuminating the entire building. This concludes the demonstration of our sleek ridge vent product. Thank you for your time and attention.